Now I'm here in my kitchen. I will show you the ingredients of the baked mushroom sweet sausage. Okay, we have mushrooms, the big one. Of course, you have to wash the mushroom well, and then garlic and onions. So this is very easy because very few ingredients, and then of course slice sausage, and then sharp cheddar cheese. Whatever cheese you like, it's up to you. Today we have only this type of cheese, so that's all we're gonna put. Okay, so the next step is you need to stir fry your spices and the sausage, and I'll see you in a little bit. And those who are not subscribed in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and then don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified in my next video.